The Black Plus Decker utility wagon is a surprisingly versatile piece of equipment. Its large capacity, boasting a 176-pound weight limit, makes it perfect for hauling groceries, sporting equipment, or even camping gear. The dimensions of 31.1 L x 21.2 W x 22.1 D inches provide ample space, and I was genuinely impressed by how much it could hold. One of the standout features is the maneuverability. The heavy-duty, all-terrain wheels handled various surfaces with ease, from pavement to grass and even slightly uneven terrain. The 360-degree rotating front wheels make navigating tight corners a breeze, and the locking mechanism provides added stability on inclines. The telescoping handle is a thoughtful addition, allowing for both pushing and pulling, and it locks securely in place when not in use. Folding and unfolding the wagon is remarkably simple. It collapses down to a mere 7 inches thick, making storage and transportation incredibly convenient. This compact size is a huge plus for those with limited storage space. The included features, like the 2 cup holders and the Velcro back pocket, add to the overall practicality. They're perfect for keeping drinks secure and smaller items organized. While the wagon is generally well-constructed, the polyester material feels a bit thin in some areas. I'd be slightly concerned about its durability over time, especially with heavier loads or rough terrain. However, for everyday use and lighter hauling tasks, it seems perfectly adequate. Overall, the Black Plus Decker utility wagon is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and portable hauling solution. Its ease of use, maneuverability, and compact storage make it a worthwhile investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.